guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today we are partnering up with Unice hair. When you get your package, expect to receive goodies like an elastic band, eyelashes, a brush, and a HD wig cap. They sent us their 6x4.5 pre-cut lace ready to go kinky curly air wig. This wig uses a breathable wig cap instead of using those mesh materials. I have a special U-shaped silicone design around the neck which offers double security. 3 scoops of BW2 powder and 3 scoops of developer was a good consistency and good enough for the 6x4.5 closure. With this process, you want to make sure you are using a gentle hand to apply the bleach. Having a heavy hand can make the bleach run through the closure. So now I am done with applying bleach to the closure, and I like to set my timer for 15 minutes. Every 5 minutes I do check on the closure to make sure it's not over bleached. Now the bleaching process is done. To rinse out the bleach, I go in with cold water. I use the purple shampoo to cancel out any brassy tone. And to condition my hair, I like to use the Garnier Fructis. You guys know I rave about this product. But it's perfect for using after bleaching or not because it brings back hydration to your hair. For both the purple shampoo and the Garnier Fructis conditioner, I leave it on for a prolonged amount of time just to make sure it's really marinated, you know, and make sure it's really getting in there. After a couple of rounds of shampoo and conditioner, it's a must to detangle your hair, especially if it's a kinky texture. This hair is a kinky curly and it's a must to detangle it. When you detangle your hair, definitely start detangling from the bottom up. You are going to need a spray bottle and a conditioner or hair moisturizer of your choice, and mix everything with water. This combination is to help you with the styling process later on. Once my HD wig cap is placed on my head to my liking, I like to go in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation. And I'm using the brush that Unice sent me to apply it to my head. Once I feel like I placed enough foundation on the wig cap, I then go in with spritz to set my wig cap in place. For my baby hairs, I took 2 hair from each side. To make sure the closure lays flat on my head, I go in with Cream of Nature mousse and apply it above the closure. You can use any mousse for this process, but I do recommend Nairobi styling mousse. Once your mousse is applied on your closure, tie it down with an elastic band to mold it in place and to make it lay flat. For this hair texture, I decided to do a middle part. To help my hair lay flat, I go in with the wax stick and a hot comb. Kinky hair is a really thick texture, so it's best to go in sections to hot comb your hair. Now that we have our hair laying flat, it's time to spray and detangle our hair. Because this is a lot of hair, I am moisturizing and detangling in sections. The density of this hair is a lot. This is a lot of hair. You definitely get a bang for your buck when you purchase this hair. For minimal shedding and an easier detangling process, brush from the bottom up. I repeat this method throughout my entire hair. Once we're done with detangling, it's now time to take off the elastic band. The next and final step is our baby hairs. I go in with an eyebrow razor and cut my baby hairs at an angle, and I use the Got2be Glue holding spray or the gel to hold down my baby hairs. I use my fingers to help me with the swoop and to help me get the look I want. I did eventually go off camera to really focus on how I want my baby hairs to lay, because for some reason I could never get it right when I'm filming it. As you can see, the closure is laid and we use no glue to lay down our closure. Now we are officially done with this install. I love how this hair came pre-plucked. Literally did an amazing job, as you guys can see. I did not lay a finger. I did not have to use my tweezer to pluck anything, and I love that. Another pro for me is, so you literally can just take your hair out the box, put it on your head, and style it within 15 minutes or less. This is literally the definition of a ready-to-go wig. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, I'll see you in the next one.